What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get your Pocket Option API key. So let's get started. Now first off, just to clarify, Pocket Option doesn't actually give you the API key, but we can bypass this by using our SSID. So first let's get our SSID and then I will show you what to do next. So first off, log in into your Pocket Option account and then click F12 on your keyboard. From here the DevTools will load, so on this menu right here in the upper part of the page, just go ahead and click on these two arrows. Now here on this menu select Application. So this brought us to the application menu, and under the cookies bar just go ahead and click the drop down menu arrow right here. Once you're here, because we need the Pocket Option SSID, you would need to click on Pocket Option right here. Now, once you're on the Pocket Option page, just scroll down until you can see the SSID option. So if you don't see it right away, you can just click anything on the page and new cookies will load, which will reveal your SSID, as you can see right here. So once you see your SSID, just go ahead and click on that. And right here, your SSID under the cookie value will load. So from here, just go ahead and copy your SSID. Once you have your SSID copied, you can go to GitHub and just simply type in Pocket Option API. Now here you can just find a repository that suits your needs. So for example, let's select this one, which is I believe the most popular one, but essentially it should look something like this. So you have this script right here, and then under your SSID section, you can just go ahead and delete this and paste your SSID right here. From there, your SSID will be used to authenticate any API requests. And that's essentially, guys, the only way that you can use Pocket Option API. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.